Some mobile games can send rewards through Cash App after you complete the required tasks, but each app has different payout rules, minimum requirements, and reward systems. By the end, you'll know 5 more cash reward games to check, how their payment process works, and what to verify before spending time on any game. Section 1 is understanding how these Cash App reward games work. These apps usually do not pay you simply for opening a game. Most reward games use a task system where you earn points, coins, or credits by reaching milestones, completing levels, or trying specific offers. Before starting any game, check the payout page, reward requirements, and withdrawal options inside the app. The first game to check is Mistplay. Mistplay rewards users for playing selected mobile games and earning units through gameplay activity. Your rewards depend on the games available in your account and the progress you make inside those games. The second game is Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play gives users points for playing supported games and completing milestones. Your points balance updates as you complete qualifying activities, and available rewards depend on the redemption options shown in the app. Section 2 covers more games that use reward systems. The third option is Swagbucks. Swagbucks offers rewards for different activities, including some gaming offers. The amount you earn depends on the specific offer requirements, so check the details before starting. The fourth option is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars includes game-related earning opportunities where users can complete available tasks for rewards. Review the offer instructions because each game promotion can have different conditions. The fifth option is Cashkick. Cashkick provides earning opportunities through different tasks, including some gaming-related offers. The reward amount and completion requirements depend on the individual offer available in your account. Section 3 is how to avoid wasting time. Always check the minimum withdrawal amount before completing a large task. Look at reviews, payment history, and the app's terms before giving it access to your time. Avoid any app that asks you to pay money up front to unlock rewards. Legitimate reward apps explain their requirements clearly and show how rewards are earned and redeemed. Also remember that game rewards can change because offers are controlled by the app and the advertisers providing the promotions. The key points are simple. Cash App reward games usually work through points and task systems. Each game has different requirements, and checking payout rules first helps you avoid wasted effort. Your next step is choosing one game, reading its reward requirements carefully, and tracking your progress before expecting a payout. If this guide helped you find more Cash App reward games, like the video, and subscribe for more money app guides.